Have you ever stood in the grocery aisle staring at the giant family pack and the smaller bag, wondering which one is actually the better deal? It's a common puzzle, deliberately designed to be confusing. But the solution isn't in the marketing, it's in the math. And it's simpler than you think. The secret is to ignore the total price and find the unit price, the cost for exactly one of something, like 1 liter or 1 kilogram. This is your weapon against confusing packaging. Let's imagine 2 bottles of milk. A 2-liter bottle costs $3.60. A bigger 3-liter bottle is $5.10. To cut through the noise, you just divide. The first bottle, $3.60 divided by 2 equals $1.80 per liter. The bigger bottle, $5.10 divided by 3 equals $1.70 per liter. Suddenly, it's clear. The larger bottle is the smarter buy, saving you 10 cents on every single liter. This isn't just about milk. This tool is everywhere. Your hourly wage is a rate, your total pay divided by the hours you worked. Your car's fuel efficiency is a rate, how many kilometers it travels per liter of fuel. It's how you compare your electric bill, your internet speed, and even your running pace. Here's the one thing you need to remember. The word per is a code word. Dollars per kilogram, miles per hour, cents per kilowatt hour. Whenever you see or hear the word per, it's a direct instruction. It means divide. So next time you're shopping, look for the unit price, often in tiny print on the shelf tag, or just do the quick division on your phone. It's the one simple calculation that puts the power and the savings back in your hands.